Unit 10, Protecting the Database and Storage Pools. When you complete this unit, you'll be able to back up and recover the TSM database and back up and recover the storage pools. It's very important that you have your database backed up. Without your database, you can't restore your data. To do a database backup, you'll need to determine if you're going to do a full plus 6 incrementals, or a database snapshot. You're going to set a retention for your database backups that depends on your business requirements. The frequency of your database backups and the type of backup will also depend on the size of your archive log. Remember, only a full backup will empty your archive log. For your storage pools, consider having 2 copies, one on-site, one off-site. You might consider using an active data pool for your on-site copies. Also, consider using Disaster Recovery Manager. If you have Tivoli Storage Manager Extended Edition, you have Disaster Recovery Manager. What is Tivoli Disaster Recovery Manager, also known as DRM? DRM helps you generate your disaster recovery plan file. This is a file that has all the information such as contact information, restore priorities, scripts that you would need to run, etc. This is something that will automatically be generated with your input. DRM also helps you handle your off-site media. When you move media from inside the library to the staging area, to the courier, to the vault, etc., DRM will help manage the location in the database. So the database will always know where every volume is. DRM also lets you provide scripts to automate your recovery. The Disaster Recovery Plan file, or DR plan file, has contacts and phone numbers, recovery procedures. This is where you would specify which systems have priority. It's going to have all your database and storage pool information, and you're going to have your server options file, device configuration file, and volume history file. Your device configuration file and volume history file are required when you're going to restore your database. It's a good idea to have this plan file sent to an output file that you can then store on a different server. You can also use the Administration Center to manage DRM. You notice the tasks here. You can move your disaster recovery media. This is where it moves the volumes from state to state. For example, from courier to vault. You can create your plan file, view your media, view remote disaster recovery media, etc.